The next point would be related to social media, right? Number 8, social media. What kind of platforms? As I mentioned before, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest. Pinterest is a big platform, especially related to the industry, right? Research when you work with affiliate marketing. In our case, the beauty brand. You also have to look which is the target audience and which is the best platform for the target audience. Usually, TikTok's audience is very young, under 25 and maybe 30, and the spend is usually not high there. Instagram is a little bit older audience, right? And they tend to spend a little bit more. For example, you cannot sell cosmetic brands that cost $200, $200 or €200 in TikTok, but you might as well do that on Instagram. So again, it really varies. Instagram is a platform that is very fast paced, and you have to look out for that in your strategy as well. I'm going to mention that in the strategy, and I'm going to talk about. But again, there's many different platforms that you can use. I stopped at Pinterest. There's Reddit, there's Thread. There's so many platforms that allow you to create content. But I would stick to the biggest ones. You can also create content in basically in automation, in mass content creation. Again, TikTok, Canva is really good for that. You can create a lot of content with Canva in bulk in a few minutes and upload it. For example, the Facebook Studios, which is for Instagram and Facebook, it allows you to create content and schedule them ahead of time. There's many scheduling platforms out there that allow you to create scheduled content. Usually they cost maybe $20, $30, $40. There's many different platforms out there. Metricool is one of them. But again, I would research some of them that might be free of charge, so you don't have any costs. Because this is the entire the purpose of this video is to give you a complete walkthrough and make you understand the entire affiliate world. And again, if you want to dig deep, you can pause the video and research the things that I mentioned in this video that it will help you go into deeper topic. And at some point we will also build an affiliate academy, or we already have an academy where we will add courses for specific topics that we talk about in this video.